tips to help you lose weight. Losing weight can be a challenging journey, but it can also be a rewarding one. So, whether you are just getting started or you've hit a plateau, these tips will help you stay on track and reach your weight loss goals. Grab a pen and paper and get ready to take some notes. It's time to take control of your weight and your health. Eat slowly. Losing weight can be a challenging task for many individuals. One of the most important tips to keep in mind is to eat slowly. By taking your time to chew your food properly, swallowing only when the food is thoroughly chewed, you'll be able to give your body the time it needs to register that you're full. This is known as mindful eating, and it's an essential component of any weight loss journey. By being more mindful of what you're eating, you'll be able to make better decisions about portion control and avoid overeating. Stay hydrated. According to research, individuals who consistently drink plenty of water before their meals have experienced significant weight loss and were able to maintain it over time. Drinking water before a meal can help you feel fuller, which can reduce the amount of food you eat during the meal. This is because water has a filling effect that helps you feel more satiated. Often, we mistake thirst for hunger and end up eating more than necessary. Staying hydrated throughout the day by drinking water can help prevent this confusion and keep your appetite under control. Overall, drinking water is a simple and effective way to control your appetite and reduce your food intake, which can be beneficial for weight management and overall health. Experience the difference at the right spinal clinic, now with semaglutide. Start your path to a happier and healthier you. Schedule your first weight loss appointment with us. We carefully tailor the ideal treatment plan suitable to your needs. Call us today at 813-392-2164 or visit www.trspinalclinic.com. We also accept walk-ins with no waiting time.